Hey everyone, guys, welcome to this quick guide. And if you're wondering how to transfer money from your EBT card to Cash App, okay, it's important to note that, okay, look, there's no direct transfer option, but don't worry, guys, I'll explain a workaround to get it done safely and effectively. So let's actually get started. I want to actually explain to you something, okay? Let's understand, EBT card restrictions. So, EBT cards are primarily meant, for food and essential purchases. They aren't compatible with Cash App for direct transfers. However, you can work around this by accessing your funds indirectly. So what you can do is you can visit an ATM that actually accepts EBT cards, and you can withdraw the cash amount you actually want to transfer and make sure you check your EBT card balance beforehand, okay? Then what you want to do is you want to deposit this cash. So take the cash you withdrew and deposit it into your bank account, which is linked to Cash App. And you can do this at an ATM or your bank branch. So you want to look for ATMs that you can withdraw EBT card cash in. You can find them online. So after you deposit the cash into your linked bank account, what you want to do, guys, is you want to actually add the funds to Cash App. So what you want to do is you want to open the Cash App and a tap on Add Cash. And then you just want to enter the amount you deposited into your bank account and just confirm. And the funds will now appear into your Cash App balance, okay? And that's it, guys, basically. I know while it requires a few extra steps, this is actually the most secure way to transfer money from your EBT card to Cash App. Anyways, guys, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, share, and make sure you subscribe, guys, for more tutorials. And I'll see you guys next time.